If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Venmo, this guide will help you through the process step by step. Follow these instructions to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Open a Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines of the profile icon in the upper left corner of the app to open the menu. From there, select Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Access payment methods. In the Settings menu, look for the Payment Method option. This section will allow you to view all your linked accounts and subscriptions. Step 4. Review recurring payments. Scroll through your payment methods to find any active subscriptions or recurring payment. Tap on the subscription you wish to cancel to view more details. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Once you have selected the subscription, look for the option to cancel or stop the recurring payment. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the cancellation is processed. By following these steps, you can successfully stop any unwanted recurring charges on Venmo. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Venmo's customer support for help.